please don't forget to subscribe, turn on my notification bell. So today guys, I'm actually going to be giving you a very simple method to lose that belly fat in less than 7 days. For this method today, we're going to be needing cucumber, lemon, and ginger. So basically these three things are a very good combination for losing that belly fat. Cucumber has about 96% of water in it, so it doesn't give you a bloating stomach. The second one is our lemon. So you'll definitely be needing lemon because you want the juice from it. So it helps to rebalance every damaged cell in the body, and it's also good for weight loss. As you all know that ginger is well known around the world, and this can also be used for weight loss. This helps you with your belly fat. It helps to reduce your belly fat because it has a very low calories in it, which actually helps to burn your belly fat. So now my ginger is peeled, guys. You can see how it looks. And after this, you want to grate your ginger. So now I'm going to grate my ginger. And when you're using the grater, ensure you're using this part of it. So after grating it, this is what I get. So now I'm just going to keep this aside. You just dice them any way you can. And yes, after cutting the lemon into pieces, this is what you get. So I'm actually going to keep this aside as well. So guys, now I'm going to transfer everything into my pan. You want to add water to it depending on the quantity you need. This is what it looks like. I'm actually going to let it be until I start seeing bubbles. So guys, you can see how it looks like. It's boiling already. I love the bubbles. I'm going to turn off the gas and just let it cool down. So guys, as you can see, it's not cold yet, but I'm just going to strain it, and that process, it might also help to get cold quickly. You have to make sure you take every juice. So guys, this is the juice we actually got from the ginger and the lemon, and we have our cucumber by the side. So when you drink your lemon and your ginger juice, you just eat one cucumber, and you know, it goes on and on and on until it's finished. Oh, you can also add your natural honey if you want to for taste. I added my honey. You can see that actually giving me another beautiful color. These are all natural health tips for your flat tummy, and if you're actually consistent with this for 7 days, I bet you before 7 days you definitely start seeing results. This is a very good body detox juice. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you haven't subscribed, please don't go without clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put in a new video. Please share this video. It might be of help to someone. Thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.